Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to create a unique effect in Adobe Photoshop that you can use for poster design or any other project. Let's get started. First, select the rectangular marquee tool and choose the area where you want to apply the effect. Next, duplicate the layer and navigate to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Adjust the value to 50. Now, duplicate the layer again and repeat the same process, but change the value to 80. To enhance the effect, create a black and white adjustment layer and experiment with the sliders. Then, add a levels adjustment layer and adjust it accordingly. Finally, add a gradient map and select any preset you like. I'm using this cool gradient map from texturelabs.org. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials and design tips. See you in the next video.